Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. This is part 5 of the series we made about this Honda CR-V 2002, about the rough idling. And one of my viewers, thank you so much to you. This specific video is for you exactly because you saved my day, you saved money, you saved my time. Finally, we figured out, according to what you were telling me, to disconnect one of those sensors I bought from Aliexpress, wideband and narrowband, before car lock converter and after. So as you know, if you watch the previous videos, we replaced many sensors here. We clean the air filter. There was a whole crack here I fixed. We replaced the MAP airflow sensor, the air solenoid sensor, idling air control sensor. We cleaned this throttle body. We replaced all the spark plugs. Nothing fixed at all. And so I'm so happy, actually, finally we figured out. And if you come with me, all I did actually, there's a video also you can watch when we replaced those two oxygen sensors over there, narrowband and wideband, before and after car lock converter. So here is what I did. Simply, I just disconnected this. You see this oxygen sensor here. This is the one before the car lock converter, this one. I bought both of those ones from Aliexpress. They were very cheap, almost like $3 each. But this one is causing rough idling. As soon as I disconnected, you see, now it's disconnected. I have the original one. I'm gonna put the original one back. See this one? It's disconnected. And now I'm gonna start the engine, and we'll let you hear the sound of the engine. Okay. So start the engine. And there is a check engine light because we disconnected the what they call air fuel sensor, or they call it wideband. I disconnected it, so the check engine light came on. But rough idling, when I'm gonna put the original one. Okay, this is the original one. See that? I had very hard time to remove this. All I'm gonna do is just gonna clean it a little bit and put it back. Okay. And this one is very expensive, air fuel sensor, you know, the oxygen sensor, but yeah, this one is air fuel sensor, which is different than oxygen sensor. And so this is the original one. I'm gonna put it back, and the check engine light should be gone. And now let's hear the sound of the engine. Very smooth, no more rough idling anymore. See, you know what? I spent almost $500 spark plugs and more on this, and of course many hours working in this Honda CR-V trying to fix this rough idling. But thank you so much for my friend who sent me a few messages telling me and explained to me about the wideband and narrowband oxygen sensor and when they can do. So after all, we fix it. Thank you so much, my friend. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much to all viewers, to all subscribers. But the engine is running perfect. I don't have to replace the idle air control sensor. Everything is running perfect. No more issue. Thank you very much. All the best. And so that's fixed. I'm just gonna put the original oxygen sensor back, reset the check engine light, and everything should be good to go. I'm just gonna clean it quickly with the brake and parts cleaner. Yeah, just a little bit. And I think it should be fine. Yeah. Just give it a clean a little bit and put it back, and that's it. So I use this adjustable wrench. I didn't tie them too hard, so it's easy to remove now. And see, so I'll just remove this completely. Okay. And there is a you see this one? To remove this from the holder here, all you need to do, press here. You see that? Press, see, and pull this one here. Press like that, and then pull. So this is the one I got from Aliexpress. And here, this is the one here. Original one. I'm just gonna put this one back. Okay. Okay, and we'll give it a test again. See. Okay, good. Put this one back in. Okay, so again, this one, it goes like, to hook this one in, first you need to put this one in like that, and then this one like that, and then put this one in. Okay, okay, and then push the one, hook it in, locked in. Okay, just like that. That's it. Yeah, that should be good. Now let's give a test and see. So we installed the original one back on, and usually rough idling start after a few seconds later, but as you see, it looks good. No more rough idling. That's fixed. I'm just gonna reset, check engine light, and it should be good to go. Housing, I mean, I think it should be fine, but no more rough idling. And check engine light, we're gonna use this blue driver, put it here, and then we're gonna reset the okay, and we're gonna reset the check engine light. Okay, so first we go to blue driver, open it, and let's connect. Found, you know, it connect very fast, which is good actually. And you can see that also the LED, once it start flashing, that means it's connected. And this one vehicle, 2002 Honda CR-V, keep this vehicle. And see, let's check, see what's the check engine light, since we disconnected the air fuel sensor, and 5 codes. So don't worry about, like, this is the one we disconnected. See, it's all related. And idling control, we disconnect that one too. But anyway, let's clear all those ones. Let's clear them all. Clear, yes. And check engine light is gone. So if check engine light comes back again, that means something wrong. But if there's no check engine light, that means everything is fixed. See, now if I go again, check engine light, search. This is a quick search, and here, zero code found, which is perfect. No more check engine light, and 0 code found. RPM fixed. Perfect. I'm so glad we fixed this issue after all. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for all the viewers and everyone sent a comment and help to fix this issue. Thank you so much again. All the best, and have a wonderful time. See you next time.